Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Kamusta?
Kumusta?
Kamusta kayo dyan?
Kumusta maka?
How are you, Bab?
Hey, I'm doing good, babe. Hey, so go ahead.
We will do the unboxing with the Ubeesize Ringlight. So
yeah,
my
I kind of already
husband,
took it out of the box.
so my husband got this for me. Oh, that's very nice of
This
you.
is a Ringlight by Ubeesize. Ubeesize. Woohoo! The best thing, no tools required. So, for those who need the drill, no.
No need.
No need for nothing. Okay, we did notice that they gave us this nice little camera tripod for free. I guess it's for free, but it came in there, so that's nice, right? You can connect the phone or sit your stuff down on it. That's really nice.
That's nice.
That's nice. So this is a 10-inch, yeah?
Yeah, this is the 10-inch and
10-inch, 10-inch, 10-inch.
3 different colors.
Yes, it changes to 3 different colors. So, and here's a nice bag that they brought the tripod in.
Bring it out, babe.
Ooh, bringing it out.
There it is.
Nice. Hey guys, so what this also does, let you know, it has 3 clamps on it. 1, 2, 3 on each leg. That's going to let you extend
yeah.
up to about, there you go, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to let you extend up to about almost 4.5 foot, like 4'7", I think, something
Hard
like
to
that.
see.
It's really nice. Or if you don't need it that tall, maybe this tall. You don't need it that tall, maybe this tall. If you don't need it that tall, then forget about it. Throw it away. But no, so it's cool. So here you go. The tripod pops out, locks down. You see? Sits nice. Yes, it sits nice. Adjustments are right here. There's 3 adjustments. You have adjustments for level. You have another adjustment for level. And another adjustments. Now this locks in. So 2 adjustments for level and two locks in. So like if I want to keep the tripod clamp, it locks it down here. And this guy here for the tightness of that one. Now what's nice is the tripod, it has a, you see that? That's nice.
Yeah.
Has a measuring tool on there. Measuring bubbles like that built in, so you can keep your camera or your phone, whatever you're recording, straight.
Nice.
Pretty nice. I like that. So all we're going to do right now is
show you how to assemble.
Locking that in place right now. Dave, can you hand me that? Yes, that one please. Now this is pretty nice. There's a little screw right here and a tightening wheel here. So all we're going to do is put this, Dave, right there. Here, I'm going to bend it though towards, there you go.
Okay.
She's going to hold it and I'm going to screw it.
So I ordered this, guys, for Amazon, which is $39.
$39, yeah.
Yeah.
So see how it wobbles
see.
and moves? That's what this guy here is for. This little
Hopefully
tightening.
it will be good.
Yes, very nice.
Better be.
Very nice. So again, we have your phone, which sits right up in here.
That's cool.
Okay, isn't that nice? Here you go. It adjusts so you can see.
Yeah, it's bendable.
It's bendable, flexible.
Very nice.
The phone can go this way, that way, any way you like it, sideways. Who cares? It's yours. You do what you want. Right, babe?
You do what you want.
You do what you want. It's yours. So also the nice thing, what I like, Now, we looked online, and this has, I think,
A lot of good reviews.
a lot of good reviews, and also there's 3 lights, and in each light
That's, yeah.
there's like 10 different settings, which is nice. So you
Very
can dim
cool.
it down low all the way to very bright. I don't know why I did this, but that's a scale. Couldn't maybe that, see? So, oh, and the cool thing is, where did it go?
That's one.
This one here.
Remote.
So it's a remote that she got that comes with it. Battery automatically comes with it as well. You just power it on. Once you power it on, a blue light will flick on. It'll Bluetooth your phone. You sync it. I'm telling you, it was just like that. Android or the other guy.
iOS. Is it iOS?
Yes, and it
So
works
you can
perfectly.
connect
So
to device.
we actually have it out right now, and it's actually controlling the phone right now. So that's really
yes,
nice.
It works good.
So my trusty companion is going to plug this in, and we're going to see how bright and nice it is,
We will
even
see.
during the daytime.
Ready.
Ready, Panda? So she has it plugged in.
Okay, let's turn it on. Ta-da!
Ah, nice. That color there looks like a basic white.
Yeah, I think that's the. Yeah, that's the brightness there.
Mhm.
Let's pull all the way down. You can see the changes. So it's kind of faded.
Very light right now, kind of
Yeah.
faded. Maybe
It's
if I
daytime here,
see her
so
on her face, I
it's
don't
hard
know.
to see.
If you can see on her face.
Okay, I'm gonna change to a different color. This one,
This
which
is
is the
skin tone. This is skin tone.
Yeah, we'll bring up.
There you go. See, on her face you can see
Ah,
how beautiful. She doesn't even need the light. She's that beautiful.
Then why you get this? Then why you get this correct?
You wanted
I'm
this
already
light.
beautiful.
You need this light, not me. You wanted that one.
Yes. Turn it down.
Turning it down.
Here's the last color. There it is.
Yes, and
I
this
think
other
this is
color.
the blue color.
Yes,
or
this is
the white
there's like a blue color white,
and the
a
skin
regular
tone.
light, and then the skin tone. So there's 3 different ones with about 10 different settings in each one. So you're looking at 30 different settings. It's pretty
Let's
sweet.
Turn it up.
Choice for sure.
Let's
There you
do
go.
it. Oh, that's too
See?
bright.
That's too bright.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it works good.
Yeah, it works
So
good.
far, so good. I'm excited.
I think I'm more impressed with this. They threw this in for free because I need it for my phone. That's awesome.
That's
Good deal.
awesome.
So
we
yeah,
didn't
it
need
works.
That one, yeah?
So
Because
this works
already
nice.
have this one.
We're going to show you the height and show you how the legs fall out.
Yay!
how
So
tall
far,
it is.
so good,
So
guys.
far, so good. Good job, babe. Look, I can carry cold beer, big bottle of beer in my
So
back.
we
See?
will put the link down below in the description box so you can check that out. Okay?
Hey, one other thing. So they send you this,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I don't know. It's a description of everything that's in the box. And I guess how to make some adjustments to it. But it doesn't tell you how
Supposed
to
to be
put
the
anything
instruction.
together. In other words, there's
But
no
we just
instructions.
put picture on it.
But you can
So-
see how easy it was for us to put it together, yeah?
Yeah, that's easy.
Nice! Good teamwork. Team Woodyard. Woohoo!
Whoop, the Woodyard Adventure. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yep. Picture in the thumbnail. You move a little bit here. You can have the other one side or the other side. Ah, it's a video. I'm moving.
Yes.
Okay. How to bring the picture, no?
Don't know. What you should do is just do the video and then take
Yeah,
a picture
okay.
of the video.
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
There you go.
It's hard to see. You can't see it because there's.
No.
You try it.
No, I don't want to try it. You actually have it backwards anyways. It's supposed to be like this on us.
No, it's bright.
I know.
Nice. That's good there.
That's good. You can do the skin tone. Change the thing to the skin tone one. It's kind of bright.
I like that one. Okay, skin tone.
Skin tone. No, that's blue. There you go. There's skin tone. Looking good.
Don't move first. Don't move.
Why? You can keep this in this editing video.
Boom, balloon, doo, doo. Another one.
We'll do another one. Babe, do like this. It's freezing out here. Hey, babe, let's build a fire. Okay. Boom. Fire. Now it's hot. Oh, my goodness. Okay.
Yay, okay.
Hey, let's go to the beach and do this. Yeah, we're going to go to the beach. Boom. Hit the beach. Did you get that? Okay. All right, good deal.